How to make your own autofill. Consider the following example. This is a list of the names of the days belonging to the Javanese. It's not in Excel's autofill list, but we can create our own. We can make other lists as we like. Here's how to create a new list according to our wishes. Click the Files tab. More. Options. Advanced. Scroll down. Edit custom lists. Write down the list that we want to make. Separate with a comma. End with OK button. And OK. We have created a new list. We can use it by writing one of these words in a cell. Then click and drag the handle in the lower right corner of the cell, down, up, left or right. Then automatically the cells that are passed will be filled with words according to what we made. Thank you for watching this video.